Hello everyone, this is Victoria again here at Shoes of Hollywood, and I'm so happy to be here with you guys. Today we're gonna review these stunning shoes. The name is ESTEEM-708 and they are 7-inch. As usual, they bring with this super box in red color and with this dust-free bag for protect them from any damage. And they bring all clear. I really love this style, as you know, because they going good with everything. They bring with super grippy bottom for make them super secure, and cushioning on the bottom, which is really good for make them comfortable. Ankle strap here and writing gold here. I really love that detail. Next one, all clear as well, top clear, 7-inch. With platform. They bring with this travel bag as well, which is really good when you need to take your shoes with you. Okay, let's try. I think they're gonna be good with my nails today. My pink nails. I really love this style because they are going good with everything. Every woman have to have one of these ones because they are going with every clothes, with all the outfits, and that's good. Also, they are super comfortable. Super comfortable. And if you have some outfit that you want to call the attention, these high heels are perfect because the attention gonna be in your dress or your pants or whatever you want. What do you think, guys? They are 7-inch, but they are super comfortable. For me, 7-inch is perfect. It's perfect because I'm pretty tall, so with these ones I look tall, but perfect. Also, they going good if you are a competitor, if you have a competition, and they're gonna look amazing, really amazing on the stage. Also, it's important that they are super comfortable and you don't feel tired when you walk with these ones. I really love this style. Okay guys, as usual we go to walk around a little bit for show you how look under sunlight, but don't forget to subscribe, to leave your comments here down, and click on the little bell for don't miss any video from this channel. Let's go. Let's to enjoy this beautiful day, sunny day here in Australia, and it's really warm. I love it. What do you think, guys? Aren't they good with everything? I really love this style, always. Okay. You feel like you are floating. And you can walk pretty good on these high heels. It's not uncomfortable. I'm gonna turn around a little bit for you guys to show you. I know you really like this one. I know you really like this style. The sun is make me cry. It's pretty strong today, but I love it. They are super comfortable. You even can't forget that you are wearing really high heels. This type of shoes suit as well with every outfit. Whatever you want to use, they are good. Okay guys, don't forget to leave me your comments about these beautiful shoes. I really like the ankle strap, super necessary when you use such a high heels. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video and see you next time.